Today, I'm gonna to talk about Amex Gold card from American Express, so let's go. In this review, we'll cover what the benefits and features are, who should get this card, and what alternative credit cards you may want to consider. By the end, you should have a better idea if the is worth adding to your wallet or whether another card would be more rewarding for your spending habits. The is worth getting for many card members who can earn a substantial amount of rewards from dining, supermarket, and flight purchases. Still, this card comes with a big reason not to immediately apply for it: annual fee. Borrowers should consider carefully whether or not they can really get their money's worth out of this card. You have to spend a lot of money on a combination of groceries, dining out, and travel for it to make sense. The dining and Uber credits are a so-so benefit. They need to be used $10 at a time, once per month. They don't roll over. And the dining credits are limited in where they can be used. However, if you're regularly catching Ubers or eating at the Cheesecake Factory, it's nice to have a discount each month. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. For X earnings on dining, takeout, and delivery. 2. For X earnings on supermarket purchases. 3. 3x earnings on flights booked with airlines of American Express travel. 4. No foreign transaction fees. 5. Rewards don't expire. 6. 60,000 bonus membership rewards introductory offer. 7. Flexible spending limit. 8. $100 hotel credit when booked with American Express travel with participating 9 properties for 2 or more consecutive nights. 10. Attractive gold or rose gold design. Cons. 1. Annual fee. 2. Supermarket purchases don't include large general retailers such as Walmart, Target, and Costco. 3. $10 monthly credits don't roll over. 4. $10 monthly restaurant credits are limited to select restaurants and services. 5. Requires good to excellent credit, a FICO credit score of 670 or higher to qualify for the card. Who is the card for? The benefits cardholders who are able to earn points from large dining and grocery expenses. It also benefits frequent travelers by earning 3 points per dollar spent on flights booked directly with airlines or on AmexTravel.com. The kind of person who has somewhat frequent travel and dining purchases, but also spends a lot on grocery purchases for meals at home, might be the ideal cardholder. The cardholder also needs to have good to excellent credit, which is a FICO score of 670 or above. Features. The main features of the include $240 in Uber and dining credits, a $100 hotel experience credit, and a reward structure beneficial for frequent foodies and travelers. It's a feature-rich card, but it's also expensive. For cardholders need to ensure that they're earning enough rewards and taking advantage of the monthly credits to make it worth it. Reward structure. The remains immensely popular for its rewarding earnings structure. You can expect to earn bonus points in a number of categories. Cardholders earn for X points up to $25,000 at supermarkets, but not including general retailers such as Walmart or Target. The card also earns for X points on dining, takeout, and delivery to round out the bonus earnings. The card earns 3x points on flights booked directly with the airline, and with AmexTravel.com, the earnings rate is 1x for all other purchases. Bonus offer. The card offers new members. These points can be very valuable in the American Express membership rewards program, depending on how they're used. Uber and dining credits. The card comes with $240 in credits, which can help the annual fee make sense. But you need to be able to use the credits to make it worth a spot in your wallet. First off, the card offers $120 in Uber credits. These must be used in $10 increments, one time each month. If they're not used, they don't roll over. You just get $10 the next month. The card also comes with a $120 dining benefit. The credits are also doled out in $10 increments that must be used monthly and only at select restaurants. Restaurants include the Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, Milk Bar, select Shake Shack locations, and Grubhub delivery services. The Hotel Collection Program. With the you can get a $100 experience credit when booking 2 or more consecutive nights through American Express Travel. Isn't hard to get? The does look for borrowers with good to excellent credit. Many borrowers in the US qualify with their credit score. And if you don't, you can try applying at a later date when your credit score and report have improved. Isn't prestigious? There are some excellent benefits that come with the. But if you're looking for a more impressive card, you may want to consider the American Express Platinum card. Is or Platinum better? The Platinum comes with more perks, such as lounge access and airline credits. But it has a steep fee of $695, which could make it hard for potential cardholders to justify. The has a moderately expensive annual fee of only. While it has a number of enticing offers, it provides fewer perks than the Platinum card.